Good morning all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, April 30th. We're looking at Window Traders market profile of the ES and the NQ. Last day of the trading month. Microsoft and Facebook after the close today. You have PCE at 10 a.m. Today. So again, Jolts didn't do anything yesterday really, but we'll see another useless number. That usually comes out at 8:30, but I'm thinking because of the holiday and with non-farm payroll out on Friday, it's coming out today. Anyway, we did have a double distribution day yesterday in ES. Right now, we've spent the majority of the overnight in the lower distribution, as you can see. Okay? NQ did not have that. NQ took back their single prints to the tick. They just have their afternoon pullback. Right now, look where the overnight lows are. We talk about very, very mechanical trading, short-term players. Overnight, right against the afternoon pullbacks yesterday in ES and in NQ. Righty didn't have anything. Righty took back the trend day. They don't have an afternoon pullback. The daily is up, but the volume has definitely been a concern. They're not getting any new blood in this market as they continue to push higher. We talk about hump levels. Well, once again, ES is the only one that has not filled their gap. SPX and SPY did. So the bears want to defend 1075. The bulls certainly want to defend yesterday's low. And I don't know why I have it written wrong, but yesterday's low is 55.2775. Those are your hump levels early on, right? Especially if we open in the lower distribution. Now, you could also use, as far as trading opportunities, if we open below in the lower distribution, a push up towards the upper end of that lower distribution could be a short, and you could use the overnight high as you're out. Okay? Now, that trade would be with much more confidence if we got the overnight lows first in ES. If you don't, you can still take it, but if we get the overnight high and get into the upper distribution, then I guess, once again, nothing changed. We've seen that a lot recently. So that's an early play there. NQ, same thing. Can you front run these overnight lows? Sure you can. Now, again, we have 80 minutes prior to the open, so they could change. But if they don't change, you could certainly front run them, possibly, and use the afternoon pullbacks as you're out. If, however, the overnight lows by 9:30 are below the afternoon pullbacks, I'd be careful, especially in NQ's case, because at that point, value would be going overlapping to lower. Again, early plays, that's why you need to be in this trading room as we decipher it and sift through everything for both bulls and bears prior to the opening and then throughout the whole day. Here's your daily chart. Again, they're chugging along, one time framing up 6 days, but yesterday's volume under 48 million, the day before, same. Not very healthy volume. So again, what's happening here? All you're getting is the continuation of short covering and short-term players. Now, you know the way we talk about a P shape on the profile? Well, look at this now. After sellers got rejected down here, we've been grinding up. Now, remember, getting distance away from previous time frame highs or lows tells you the trend is fairly young. So this one got good distance. This one got great distance with the gap. Now, we've gotten distance the last 3 days, but not the same type. But also, potentially, look at what you're starting to form here on the daily. A P shape. So that's why, to me, it's critical for the bulls to defend these daily lows. Because once you come into balance, you might complete the P shape. And then out of that balance, then the question becomes, do you go balance back to bull or balance bear? It's a chess game, my friends, every day, which makes it very exciting to try to figure out. Good luck trading today. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.